Hello, welcome to an e-demo on recording and storage on an Illustra Essentials camera. So let's first of all then open up a web browser, and I'm going to navigate to the IP address of my camera, and I'm going to log in as an admin user. Once I've logged in, I'm going to choose Setup. Next, I'm going to choose Storage from the menu on the left hand side. I'm going to first of all take a look at the first submenu, which is called Schedule, and it's in here where we can set a record schedule, a snapshot schedule, and a holiday schedule. Let's first of all then look at the record schedule, and you can see we have an indication here of the days of the week and a 24-hour period for each of those days. And what we can do is we can choose to configure either general recording or motion recording. It's by using these checkboxes here. And we can also configure when those occur by choosing setup next to the day. And we can set the time period, and we can check those boxes. And you'll see if I choose save, we're now doing a general recording for Sunday. Let's move over then to snapshot schedule. And in here we have a similar diagram, and again we can configure it in the same way, only this time it is for snapshots rather than recording. So let's open up setup, and you'll see we have the same table in there where we have the days of the week, time periods, and we have the general and the motion checkboxes. Okay, so the final tab in schedule is called holiday schedule, and it's in here where we can configure specific holiday days. So for example, if I wanted to set September 28th as a holiday, I'll just select it there, and then I can configure what I want to happen on that day. Do I want snapshots or recording? And I can choose save, and you'll see that has been successful. Okay, so the next submenu under storage then is called destination, and it's in here where we can configure where those snapshots and recordings are saved to. That can either be an FTP server or a network attached storage location. You'll see we also have scheduled and motion detection settings there. And then we can actually configure the FTP server itself, and the same for the network attached storage location. Again, we can connect and configure the settings there. Final submenu under storage is called record control, and in here we can configure some settings about the recording. So how long do we want it to be, if there's any pre-record required, what do we want to do when the disk is full, do we want to stop recording, or do we just want to overwrite the oldest media on there, do we want to record manually or automatically, and which stream do we want to record. Once we're happy with those settings, we can save, or we can go back to the factory defaults.